Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install Cisco WebEx for meetings. The first step you need to do is open any of your browser. I choose to go with Google Chrome. After it is opened, you search for WebEx. Just type WebEx, press enter. Then you click download. Then you choose WebEx meetings. You're not downloading WebEx team, so you choose WebEx meetings for Windows version. So you give it a few seconds for it to finish downloading. It's down here. So it has completed downloading. You can click on the file for it to start installing. So it has started installing. So you click next for the program to start installing on your machine. You have to accept the terms in the license agreement. Then you click next. Then you start installing. So you give it a few seconds. It will finish installing. So you click yes. So it has finished installing. You click finish. And then you can double click on the desktop here, or you just wait for it to launch. So if you have an email address, you can log in and then you proceed joining the meeting. Thank you.